The Karrar Main Battle Tank is Iran's most advanced domestically produced armored fighting vehicle, representing a significant leap in the country's defense industry. Officially unveiled in 2017, the Karrar's design is heavily influenced by the Russian T-90MS, but with Iranian-specific modifications and locally manufactured components to ensure independence from foreign suppliers. The tank features a 125mm smoothbore main gun capable of firing a variety of ammunition, including APFSDS, heat, and HFRAG rounds, as well as guided anti-tank missiles, giving it both short-range and extended precision strike capabilities. The autoloader system allows for a reduced crew size of 3, enhancing survivability by keeping personnel inside the armored hull. In terms of protection, the Karrar is fitted with composite armor, slat armor sections, and an explosive reactive armor (ERA) package that resembles Russia's Relic system, offering high resistance against modern kinetic and chemical energy projectiles. For increased crew survivability, the tank integrates NBC, nuclear, biological, chemical, protection systems and a modern fire suppression system. Mobility comes from a 1000 plus horsepower diesel engine, enabling speeds of up to 70 km per hour on roads and impressive cross-country performance, vital for Iran's diverse terrain. The Karrar also boasts modern fire control systems, a panoramic commander's sight, a gunner's thermal imaging system, and a laser rangefinder, allowing for effective day-night operations and target engagement at distances exceeding 2 kilometers. While its exact combat record remains limited, the Karrar has been showcased extensively in Iranian military exercises, signaling Tehran's commitment to armored warfare modernization despite decades of sanctions. Its production reflects Iran's strategic aim to replace or supplement older T-72 variants, improving both firepower and survivability. Furthermore, its indigenous development reduces dependency on foreign arms imports, allowing for continuous upgrades based on battlefield feedback. Critics argue that while the Karrar is visually and technically comparable to advanced export tanks like the T-90MS, it may not yet match Western main battle tanks such as the Leopard 2A7 or M1A2 as IPV3 in electronics, armor quality, and battlefield networking. Nevertheless, the Karrar serves as a symbol of Iran's growing self-sufficiency in heavy armor manufacturing, blending proven foreign design concepts with domestic engineering to produce a formidable and politically important asset for the nation's armored corps. Beyond its battlefield role, the Karrar is also a strategic message to the world. A declaration that Iran can design, build, and field a modern main battle tank without relying on external suppliers. Military analysts note that its modular armor layout and electronics suite leave room for future upgrades, potentially integrating active protection systems or more powerful engines in later versions.